Hello, my name is Levi Bieda, and I am applying for the Manufacturer's Project Management position at the New Jersey location for AbbVie. I believe I'm well qualified for this position with my extensive education and experience. To begin, I went to Carmel Catholic High School, which is a Blue Ribbon award-winning high school and is well known for their engineering courses. I took 3 years of engineering courses at this high school, which ranged from introduction to engineering, principles of engineering, and aerospace engineering. So I have lots of experience in the education field of engineering with those classes. I am a 4-year graduate at Campbellsville University with a bachelor's in science in general business. I believe that with my vast knowledge of general business and project management education, I believe that I'm well suited in the education aspect of this job. In high school and for my college, I achieved both a 4.0 GPA, which I'm very proud of. As far as work experience goes, I am a 3-year intern at the City of Lake Forest in their engineering department. The first year that I worked in the engineering department, I worked on the more online aspect of engineering, where I took physical plans of the city's storm sewer, sanitary sewer, and water lines throughout the entire city, and I dated each pipe that was within the city. This is so that engineers in the group can use that information and translate it so that they can gauge what pipes need to be reinstalled within the next couple of years, or if it's a long-term project. The second year that I worked with the City of Lake Forest, I was more in a project management role. I worked directly on a job site that was for a $4 million storm sewer installation and storm trap installation. On this job, I was tasked with coordinating with contractors and residents alike so that these pipes could be installed within this neighborhood that had been flooding for many, many years. So this installation involved me by being a project manager in this position, by working with the contractors and making sure that everything flowed smoothly and that everything was properly documented so that the engineers in the future could use this information on the maintenance of these pipes for the future. The third year that I worked with the City of Lake Forest, I worked in their sidewalk program. On this program, I was tasked with taking a tablet throughout the city's sidewalks, walking all of these sidewalks and documenting the condition of the sidewalks that I walked. If there was anything that I walked through that was a possible tripping hazard or that the sidewalk square was falling apart, I would document it in a database so that the engineers could use that information and determine how to go about replacing these squares in the future. The City of Lake Forest knows that there is a lot of bad sidewalk in the city and they want to avoid any injuries or lawsuits that could occur. I believe with this experience and the different projects that I have been involved with, I believe that I am very well versed and very capable for this project manager position in the manufacturing department at AbbVie, and I feel like with the education I have in my background, I can apply both my education and experience in this position that would be beneficial for your company. If you look at my resume, I'll have many different pieces of education, work experience, and skills such as computer-aided design, which is also known as CAD. This is a program that allows me to create things on a 3D level on a computer. So I also have background in the design aspect as well. I hope that you will consider me for this position and know that I am very well ready to accept this position if that comes about. Thank you for listening.